Hello everyone! So ang topic po natin ngayon ay kung paano i-divide ang polynomials gamit ang synthetic division. Okay, number 1. Divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. So ito yung tinatawag na dividend. Okay, divide by x plus 2. So x plus 2, ito yung tinatawag nating divisor. To divide polynomials using synthetic division, ang gagawin natin, ang first step, ay isosolve natin yung value ng x plus 2, which is yun yung divisor. Okay, to solve for x, i-equate natin yung x plus 2 sa 0. So, therefore, we have x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, and then we transpose 2 to the other side. So, positive 2, it becomes negative 2. Therefore, ang value ng x ay negative 2. Okay, now nakuha na natin yung value ng x, which is x equals negative 2. And then, the next step is kukunin natin yung mga coefficients ng polynomial natin. Okay, and this is the next step. Divide the x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. So, kukunin natin yung mga coefficient. Ang coefficient ng x cubed ay 1. So, kapag wala tayong nakikitang number, that is always 1. And then, 3x squared is 3. Negative 4x is 4. And then, constant negative 12. So, i-rewrite natin lahat ng coefficients. And then, yung nakuha nating value ng x, which is the divisor, okay, we have x plus 2. The divisor is negative 2. And then, i-rewrite natin ang negative 2 sa my left side. Okay, and then, guguhit tayo ng ganito. And then, the next step is, i-bring down natin yung first coefficient, which is 1. So, we bring down 1. And then, multiply negative 2 by 1 and write the result below. So, we have negative 2. So, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then, add 3 plus negative 2 is 1. The negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Okay, negative 4 plus negative 2, the answer is negative 6. And then, again, we multiply negative 2 times negative 6. The answer is positive 12. Negative times negative is positive. And then add negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Okay, now we have 1, 1, negative 6, 0. Again, the result is 1, 1, negative 6, 0. Okay, and then we have 1, 1, negative 6. Ito yung tinatawag nating quotient. At yung 0, yan yung tinatawag nating remainder. Okay, and then next, i-rewrite natin yung mga coefficient natin into polynomial. Okay, so the degree of the quotient is 1 less than the degree of the dividend. So, kung ang degree ng dividend natin ay 3, pagdating sa quotient, ang degree ay 2. Or the highest exponent is 2. Therefore, we have x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, so yun na yung quotient natin ngayon. Our quotient is x squared plus x minus 6. Okay, since 0 yung nasa last column natin, ibig sabihin, ang quotient natin is x squared plus x minus 6 at wala tayong remainder. Okay, now let's have number 2 example. Divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12 by x minus 3. Okay, to divide this polynomial, ang gagawin natin is solve muna natin yung value ng x ng divisor, which is x minus 3. And the value of x is 3. Okay, so next, since meron na tayong value ng x ng divisor, which is 3, kukunin natin yung mga coefficients ng polynomial natin. So, x cubed, the coefficient is 1. We have 3, and then negative 4, then negative 12. Okay, and then yung divisor natin, which is the value ng x is 3, i-rewrite natin sa my left side. Okay, and then bring down 1. Then 3 times 1 equals 3. Then 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then we multiply 3 times 6 equals 18. And then negative 4 plus 18 is positive 14. Okay, and then 3 times 14, the answer is 42. And then negative 12 plus 42, the answer is 30. Again, ang result natin is 1, 6, 14, and 30. Okay, yung nasa dulo, yun yung tinatawag nating remainder. And then yung 1, 6, 14, ito yung tinatawag nating quotient. Okay, so i-rewrite natin yung quotient sa polynomial. Para ma-rewrite sa polynomial ang quotient natin, ang gagawin natin, kung ang dividend natin ang highest exponent or ang degree ay 3, pagdating sa quotient natin, magbabawas lang tayo ng isang exponent. So that's why we have x squared plus 6x plus 14. So yung dulo, yun yung remainder. So ang quotient ay x squared plus 6x plus 14. Therefore, to rewrite the quotient, it is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 14 plus 30 over x minus 3, which is 30 is the remainder. Over the divisor, x minus 3.